Today I'm going to be doing a blowout video for you. I think I promised this in one of my older natural hair videos, and here it is. So first things first, the products that I'm going to be using for my blowout today are my Kenra blow dry spray. This one is a must for me. It helps me get my hair super smooth and drier much quicker, as well as offer some thermal protectant. My Jane Carter Solution Revitalizing Leave-In in order to keep my hair moisturized, as well as my Giovanni Direct Leave-In. And I need these, of course, for moisture, because although I do want my blowout to be light and fluffy, and this does offer that because, of course, it's much more lightweight than a traditional leave-in, I want it to also be moisturized. I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb as well as my red blow dryer with the comb attachment. Initially, this started out as a wash day video. And as you can see, I already washed my hair and I have it in twists. And I'll insert some clips, but I woke up and I was not expecting what I got. Well, I should have been expecting it because I just slept with my hair unmoisturized, but my hair, long story short, my hair was a mess and it needed a lot of TLC, and I did not want to do that on camera. So here we are. My hair is already in braids. It's freshly washed and a little bit damp. So I'm going to go through braid by braid, moisturize it, spray my Kenra blow dry spray, and blow it out. Let's jump right in. I think I'm going to start from the back. Let me get some clips. I have some trusty clips here. If you guys see me looking down, I'm looking down into my mirror. And the section has already been detangled, and it feels already pretty nice and soft and moisturized, but we're gonna add some extra moisture. So for this, I want to be able to comb through my hair very easily before I ever put the blow dryer through it. So I'm first going to be holding my hair taut and using the tension method, and then I'm going to go through with the actual comb attachment on the blow dryer to get it super straight. So let's go ahead and spray the blow dry spray. And I spritz it about 3 to 4 times. I feel like you guys heard much more than 3 times, right? I'll just go ahead and show you guys the settings. I have it on warm and on the highest blow speed. And the first section is done. Very light, very fluffy, but it feels moisturized. And I'm going to twist it and clip it away. And we're moving on to the next section. of my head done. I am going to go ahead and blow out the rest, and I will be right back. So yeah, that is it, guys. Ooh, wait. I know you guys can tell a difference since my last video, my length check video. That was the last time I did, or I had a blowout for this channel. And yeah, your girl's hair is flourishing. Her blowout is nice and soft and voluminous. Your good sis is protective styling throughout this whole winter, and I cannot wait to see how long my hair gets come summertime in end of May, beginning of June of 2021. I will officially be 2 years natural, and I still can't believe I haven't reached 2 years yet and I have this much growth. Best decision ever, like, to go natural. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like or comment down below. Stay tuned for my next length check video. I think I will do that at my 2-year mark. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.